Welcome back. In this session, we will explore Elastic Container Service. Elastic Container Service or ECS is a highly scalable, high-performance container orchestration service that supports Docker containers and allows you to run and scale containerized applications on AWS. ECS eliminates the need for you to install, operate, and scale your own cluster management infrastructure. ECS is widely used for microservices architectures, batch processing, machine learning applications, and backend services, among other use cases. It offers a way to abstract the server layer, allowing developers to focus on the application development rather than the underlying infrastructure. ECS is deeply integrated with AWS services such as Elastic Load Balancing, VPC, IAM, and Amazon CloudWatch, providing a complete solution for running enterprise-grade applications in the cloud. ECS leverages AWS IAM to provide role-based permissions to your container instances and tasks, ensuring that there is secure access to other AWS services. ECS services can be configured to use auto-scaling to handle varying load and spikes in traffic, making sure that the number of container instances running is scaled up or down accordingly. While AWS handles many advanced management tasks, setting up ECS service for production-level workloads demands specialized knowledge and proper configuration of infrastructure. CloudConnect offers a variety of patterns that facilitate enterprise-grade infrastructures in AWS in merely hours or days. That's it for today, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.